I'm sure many of you have seen the iconic Branson Ferris Wheel. You can see it from all over the city. Have you ridden it? Well, we never have, but we're about to do it for the first time, so let's go. Hi, this is Amy with TPF Trips, Places, and Fun.
And this is John, and at TPF, we talk about fun and exciting, family-friendly adventures.
Yes, and so we are hoping to have one right now. And
we're always looking to have an adventure.
Yes, for sure. We are here at the Branson Ferris Wheel. This was formerly the Ferris Wheel that was at the Chicago Navy Pier.
Yeah.
And now it's right here in Branson. It's kind of a landmark. You can see it from all over the city.
Yep.
And we are going to ride it. We've never ridden it before.
Nope.
So this is a first for us. I am afraid of heights, so
just don't jump.
It's pretty high. We'll see how I do.
Yeah, and actually yesterday I was here and took some video of their nighttime show, their electrical show.
So that's fun. If you come after dark, you can watch their shows. How long does that show last?
Like 6 or 7 minutes.
Yeah, so you can watch the electrical show, the Ferris wheel all lit up.
So hang on in this video. What's coming up next is awesome.
For sure.
So stay tuned for sure. But we're gonna give you some shots from way up there first.
Way high. Oh my. It looks way taller in person. I mean, close up, I guess I should say, than far away.
Yeah.
So
how's that GoPro working? You're just kind of...
I have no idea.
I think it's too close to your face. We're going to have to see that footage. There, that's better.
Look at the Ferris wheel. All right.
Should we go in?
Yes.
Glad it's not like that right now.
That's true. Then I would not get on it. But, and here's the grand opening with the electricity and fireworks.
Electrify and fireworks.
Oh, yes. All right, are we ready? I'm a little nervous. I hope it doesn't make me motion sick.
Wait, he's talking to us.
Would you believe we've added 16,000 LED fixtures holding over 144,000 individual lights?
Wow!
And each light can be computer controlled to illuminate the Branson sky in an array of colors and animations.
Yeah, that's tomorrow, or last night we saw that.
The Branson Ferris Wheel is built to last for generations, with its foundation constructed using over 4 million pounds of concrete, 6 million pounds of gravel, 80,000 pounds of steel, and piers that go down as far as 23 feet into the solid rock beneath you.
That's comforting.
So far it's not that scary, but we're not very far up yet. There's Ripley's over there. Down in the Branson Water Tower.
We believe we've added 16,000 LED fixtures holding over 144,000 individual lights.
Wow!
And each light can be computer controlled to illuminate the Branson sky in an array of colors and animations. The Branson Ferris Wheel is built to last for generations, with its foundation constructed using over 4 million pounds of concrete, 6 million pounds of gravel, 80,000 pounds of steel, and piers that go down as far as 23 feet into the solid rock beneath you.
That's comforting.
So far it's not that scary, but we're not very far up yet. There's Ripley's over there. Down in the Branson Water Tower. There's the Titanic Museum.
Over there is the mini golf
I can see the Shepherd of the Hills,
tower.
yep, Sky Tower.
For more than a century, Branson has attracted visitors to the Ozarks, lured by natural beauty and outdoor recreational activities. It began in the 1860s with the discovery of Marvel Cave, and then the publication of the book The Shepherd of the Hills in 1907.
Okay, so what are we, about halfway up?
Yes, because you can see the
Yeah.
thing right there.
Yeah, and we are very high up. We're only halfway.
Fast forward to
I'm not sure I
2016.
like this very much.
Hey, look, there's the helicopters. When are we going on those?
No, I will not go on the hook. Look, we're taller than
In
the
towers
King
were
Kong
the
building.
book of famous
Oh my
cities.
goodness.
Roar!
Oh my goodness, this is really crazy high.
From here, you
Wow.
can see it all. From the beautiful
Oh, there's Sight
You'll
and
see another
Sound.
must-do activity.
Sight and Sound Theater way out there.
The track family fun parks
And there's the
offer
shops
fun
at
for
Branson
kids and
Meadows.
kids
That's where we got to go work tonight.
Skate code in the Axe.
Escape Code and Axe Game, yep.
While Woody
Wow, that is a long way down. We are almost to the very top now. In just a second, we're gonna be like at the tippy top, as high as it goes.
Oh yeah, this would be the top, almost
Yeah,
right.
yeah. So right when we get the straight line done. Okay, here we are, tippy top.
We are at the top.
We're at the top, and it is wow.
Did you
Look
know
down!
that
Oh my
Branson
word,
Ferris
it
Wheel
is so
spent its
high
last
up.
20 years as Chicago's famous
It is
main
so
computer
high up.
Ferris wheel.
Oh my word.
That's right. From 1995 to 2015.
It's really beautiful. It's a beautiful view. You can see. Oh wow! Look, there's Whitewater.
17 million visitors took advantage of her
Everything.
spectacular views.
Yeah, I mean the views are crazy amazing.
So how did it get to Branson? Well,
There's the Butterfly Palace.
A little bit
the track has
intimidating.
been
It's
about
so
creating
high.
unforgettable moments. Take this tradition to new heights. So in early 2016, a convoy of 26 semi-trucks moved it down from Chicago to its current home, where it has changed the Branson skyline forever.
I wonder how high up this is. Have they said?
I don't know.
There's.
Did you ever wonder how the Ferris wheel got its name? The original steel revolving observation wheel was designed by the bridge builder George Washington Gale Ferris, Jr. in 1893 for the World's Columbian Expo in Chicago, built to rival the newly completed Eiffel Tower in Paris. It was over 250 feet tall and held over 2,000 people.
Someone ride go-karts.
There's Andy's. That's where you can get Andy's frozen custards. You can get amazing cold treats there.
And once a year, you get a free sundae.
Yes, it's the Saturday before Super Bowl Sunday, right?
I think so.
Where they give everyone in your party a free sundae. You know what? The one place you don't see the same views, but you get a high up perspective is the balloon out on the landing. That steampunk balloon that takes you way high up, and you can see all of, you can see a lot of Lake Taneycomo and all of the landing. I'm really glad this is like, a lot of it's enclosed. You feel a little safer. I was scared if it was all the way open like a regular Ferris wheel where it just has the one seat in the bar.
That'd be a bad idea.
That would be so scary.
So we're gonna bring this to an end. I guess Amy and I, we get to go around one more time.
Yeah,
but
we're gonna go around one more time and then we'll check in with you guys after we get off.
yeah, it was fun though, right?
Yeah, it was fun. The views are
How many
incredible.
lights does it
So that was super cool, don't you think?
Super cool.
You will not see views like that anywhere else in Branson except for maybe the top of the Tower of Shepherd of the Hills Tower, maybe?
Or on a helicopter.
Oh, that's true. John is still trying to convince me to get on a helicopter. Not going to happen, but I did get on the Branson Ferris Wheel and I survived.
Yeah.
So if you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring that bell, and safe travels, everyone.
Bye-bye. Here's the Ferris wheel. There it is.
Find a good, safe spot to stand or sit, and get ready to experience Electrify, a music and light spectacular. Presented by the Track Family Fun Parks and produced by Michael Haygood and Eric Borsheimer. Enjoy the show.